what I do is I don't like long. Okay. So you go in half, and you leave. See, this is the knot area. You leave half like that. Okay. And so it comes out like this. Okay. And I like to put one small pepper. Okay, you slice and diced the onion and that. Then you need a 1 teaspoon.
Whatever that is.
This is cumin.
Yeah, okay.
About that much.
Okay.
Maybe a little less. About like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
And 1 teaspoon of mustard. The little mustard seeds. Okay, once it starts dancing and browned a little bit, all right. Then you put the onions in this.
Okay.
Let it sit here and kind of cook a little bit, not too much.
Okay.
A little bit. Maybe just starting to turn brown.
Yep.
Write it down so you know.
I've got it.
Handful of cumin.
Garlic?
I like to put a lot of
Garlic.
garlic. And you crush it. Today I'll give you a crusher to take home. For me, this works. This has been soaked in you put a teaspoon of turmeric.
Okay.
And let it stir. Okay. And then you take the garlic
Garlic.
You put 1 tablespoon of salt, and later you can add salt more to taste.
Smells good.
you know, when all the grains are coated with oil or ghee, see, it's done. Okay. Now you add the water.
Sometimes they say,
Okay, we also sprinkle just a little bit. Well, I do a little bit more. If you want this, I'll buy you one. I might have one.
there is some, nici papeleta na ela.
No, I'll get to it.
Just,
You have two instructors. I thought there was gonna be one
no,
instructor.
nici papeleta, because you're not feeling very good. So
I haven't put any ginger in it.
yeah, the hardest part is done. That little bit
Yeah.
of spice.
Yeah,
and
there's no
things.
curry
That's
or
it.
anything like
Nothing.
that.
No.
No.
And
You see, it's already the color of the dal,
see,
right?
Yeah.
the reason why I'm doing this, I can feel it kind of
Bottom.
took at the bottom.
Yeah.
So I'm undoing it.
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure it hits the bottom and you go like this.
Scrape the
Now the
bits.
bottom is scraped. And now it'll cook.
You almost have to,
Good.
you can cook it at a lower heat and let it simmer until your rice is done and your dal is done. That's it.
Cool.
Sometimes they would put kattai in it.
No.
What's that?
I always enjoyed this. We didn't cook it all the time, but whenever and the
Go down the heat just a little bit.
Okay.